This is a Go Kart attachment for a hoverboard. Driving, I saw a kid riding. I stopped and asked him what he is riding. He says a hoverboard. I said I have a hoverboard and it doesn't look like that. He says it's a hoverboard attachment. I go home and order a hoverboard attachment. It turns out it has many parts to assemble. That is not a problem because Elise is very good at assembling things. It works. Elise wrote it, I wrote it, so did Nolan, Mimi, and Ada.
Can you reverse?
You mean go backwards? Sure. Just pull them both up and you go back.
Oh, you can like reverse. Reverse cycle.
Back. Back.
Oh.
Okay, go to the other end.
Well,
Pull them up and it'll stop.
I was just freaking out. Oh my god, it didn't want to back up there.
You're getting on to it. You're doing good now, Nolan. Don't get too close to the edge.
Hoverboards are pretty strong with separate electric motors for each wheel. They advertise a 9-mile range. Ada is 44 pounds. That is not enough to activate the electric motors, so we had Ada sit on weights.
Spin the other way.
This?
Yep.
Hello.
Okay, stop. Back up. Ooh, you're an expert now.
I am?
Yeah.
Get up and take the towel off.
Take the towel up.
That's hard.
Can you pick up the weights and
Maybe.
just put them on the deck and I'll get them. Back. Left spin. All the way around. Keep going.
That way.
Now forward. Stop. Back. Spin. Back. Okay.
Hello? Hi, I'm on the Go Kart right now. Nope, not raining. Great. I did my piano recital yesterday. Yeah, I take piano lessons with my teacher, Brian. I'm also taking creative writing classes. I still do school. I do online meetings with my class. I have to go do some research for what my class is, and we will send you a video of this call. Yep, bye.